When you think of pushing the limits of automotive engineering, one name always rises above the rest: Bugatti. And the Bugatti Bolide is the perfect expression of what happens when performance, innovation, and insanity collide. The Bolide isn't just another hypercar, it's a track-focused monster designed to show what Bugatti can achieve when freed from the constraints of road regulations. It's raw, extreme, and unapologetically engineered for one purpose: speed. At first glance, the Bolide looks like something straight out of a futuristic racing video game. Its body is sculpted almost entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, with every curve and crease serving a specific aerodynamic purpose. The proportions are brutal, extremely low, wide, and aggressive, giving it a stance that screams pure dominance. The most eye-catching feature has to be the X-shaped rear light design and matching front DRLs, inspired by aircraft and racing prototypes. Even the air ducts and wings are not just for show, they work together to channel air with surgical precision, keeping the car glued to the track at mind-bending speeds. Powering this beast is Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, the same heart that powers the Chiron, but tuned here for the track. In its extreme configuration, the Bolide unleashes up to 1,850 horsepower when running on 110-octane racing fuel. That's nearly twice the power of a Formula One car. With such ferocious power and a lightweight chassis, weighing only about 1,240 kilograms, the power-to-weight ratio is an astonishing 1,450 horsepower per ton. This translates to acceleration figures that are almost unbelievable. 0 to 100 km per hour happens in just 2.1 seconds, and 0 to 200 km per hour in 4.3 seconds. The theoretical top speed, over 500 km per hour, though that remains largely untested outside of simulations. The Bolide's handling and aerodynamics are equally groundbreaking. Bugatti engineers designed it to produce an immense amount of downforce, nearly 1,800 kilograms at high speeds. The car's active aerodynamic system adjusts in real time, changing the angle of its massive rear wing and other elements to keep stability under control. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque and titanium components keep mass to an absolute minimum, and its suspension setup is pure motorsport technology, ensuring razor-sharp precision around every corner. This is a car that thrives on the edge, designed for those few individuals who have the skill and courage to master it. Inside, the Bolide is stripped down to the essentials. Unlike the luxurious interior of a Chiron, this cockpit is all business. There's carbon fiber everywhere, racing bucket seats, a multifunction steering wheel inspired by Le Mans prototypes, and a digital display providing real-time telemetry. It's a space built for focus, not comfort. Every detail inside reminds you that this isn't a car for cruising boulevards, it's for dominating racetracks. What truly makes the Bugatti Bolide special is its philosophy. This car isn't about breaking sales records or chasing luxury buyers, it's about exploring the very limits of automotive physics. Bugatti wanted to prove that their W16 engine, already a legend, still had more to give when freed from constraints. The Bolide is a tribute to innovation, to racing heritage, and to the relentless pursuit of speed. Only 40 units will ever exist, each costing several $1 million, ensuring exclusivity that matches its performance. But the Bolide isn't just a mechanical masterpiece, it's a symbol. It shows what's possible when engineers design without compromise, when art meets science in its most extreme form. Even standing still, it commands respect and fear in equal measure. The way the light plays across its sculpted surfaces, the way the engine growls like a jet engine ready for takeoff, it all feels alive. For those lucky enough to witness one in motion, it's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of performance. In a world increasingly focused on electrification and sustainability, the Bugatti Bolide feels like the last roar of a dying breed, a celebration of combustion engine artistry before the curtain falls. It's not practical, it's not comfortable, and it's definitely not subtle. But that's exactly the point. The Bolide is Bugatti at its purest and most uncompromising, a symphony of power, precision, and passion that will go down in history as one of the most extreme hypercars ever built.